Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something super exciting to talk about as we explore into the world of AI-powered print on demand. We're talking about how AI is changing the game for entrepreneurs, making it easier than ever to scale your business, get those passive income streams flowing, and stand out in a competitive market. So if you're ready to embark on this entrepreneurial journey with us, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's get started. This particular store is consistently earning a substantial monthly revenue of $22,000, all thanks to its successful sales of mugs on the popular online marketplace, Etsy. But what sets this store apart is not just its impressive income, but the innovative approach it has adopted known as print on demand, powered by artificial intelligence AI. The concept of print on demand is a game changer, revolutionizing the way businesses operate by eliminating the cumbersome task of managing inventory. While the print on demand model is increasingly popular, many entrepreneurs who venture into it often find themselves waiting for extended periods, typically a year or more, before they can celebrate reaching the significant milestone of $100,000 in earnings. However, the key to expediting this journey towards financial success lies in harnessing the power of AI tools right from the outset. In this comprehensive video guide, we are going to delve into this fascinating business model and equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to establish your very own online store, even if you are starting from scratch and have no prior experience in this field. A successful Etsy listing features a mug with a charming flower design, generating almost $6,000 in monthly revenue. The effectiveness of this seemingly simple design comes from using AI to create similar captivating designs. The store also has other listings with similar designs, including one making $1,500 per month and another generating $700 per month. Together, these three listings have sold a total of 1,389 mugs. Now imagine the challenges of managing a store that sells a large number of mugs and how the concept of print on demand comes into play. Instead of handling inventory themselves, entrepreneurs partner with suppliers like Printify to offer a variety of white label products, including mugs, and streamline the logistics of printing and shipping orders. The partnership of Printify and Etsy streamlines the print-on-demand process. Select products from Printify, upload various designs like images, text, or AI-generated, and list them on your Etsy shop. It attracts mock-ups that's vital to draw potential customers. When a visitor stumbles upon your shop and admires your mug design, they can place an order. The rest is handled seamlessly by Printify. They take care of printing your uploaded design onto the mug and promptly ship it directly to your customer. The best part is, you don't need a physical store, an elaborate website, or an advertising budget. It's one of the simplest and most accessible businesses you can start. Now, let's explore some compelling success stories. Consider Strictly Business Mugs on Etsy, a shop that predominantly sells mugs. With impressive earnings surpassing $800,000, it's a testament to the potential of this business model. But that's not all. Le Bleu, another Etsy store, has achieved remarkable success, raking in approximately $1.32 million from mug sales. What's noteworthy is that Les Bleus accomplished this feat in a shorter time frame than Strictly Business Mugs. These stories serve as powerful inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs, demonstrating the substantial earning potential of this business model. And now, let's dive into the exciting part, creating stunning designs using AI. The journey begins with the first step is setting up a dedicated Gmail account for your business to keep things organized and separate from your personal email. Next, navigate to Etsy's website and, at the bottom of the page, click on the Sell on Etsy button. Use your newly created business email to sign up for Etsy, a free process. Connecting your Etsy shop with Printify ensures that your products and orders sync seamlessly, laying the foundation for a hassle-free experience. With the setup complete, it's time to explore the world of AI-generated designs, starting with a remarkable tool known as Midjourney. This AI specializes in generating images based on simple text prompts. While you may have heard of it before, Midjourney remains a powerful and versatile tool. With a free Discord account, you can access Midjourney's beta version for $10 per month, providing access to its full feature set and commercial rights to sell the images you create. For those seeking a free alternative, Leonardo AI offers comparable capabilities. In the Midjourney Discord server, you can have private chats with the Midjourney bot, which helps you focus on creating images without distractions. You can describe your desired design, such as replicating a successful sunflower mug. After entering a prompt like yellow sunflower painting on a white background, the AI generates 4 unique images. Midjourney offers a re-roll button for new image variations and variation buttons to tweak images. When you find the perfect image, you can upscale it using the corresponding button. You can use the AI-generated images for your mug designs. If the image has a white background, it can be directly uploaded to a white mug on Printify for sale. To enhance your designs, you can fine-tune the prompts by adding a / and accessing the Settings option. This allows you to control the AI's creativity level, with the stylization level determining the amount of artistic flair added to the design. Lower stylization levels stick closely to the prompt, while higher levels introduce more artistic creativity, resulting in images with varying detail and flair. And you can customize the aspect ratio of your image by adding --R to your prompt, followed by specific dimensions. For example, 9 by 16 inches creates a vertical image, while 16 by 9 inches makes a wider image. You can even define a custom aspect ratio like --R, 293:151 inches to fit the total print area of a mug perfectly. With this level of precision and customization, you can craft designs that align seamlessly with your chosen products. The potential for creativity knows no bounds, and AI serves as a remarkable ally in this journey. While experimenting with different prompts and AI-generated designs, you'll find numerous possibilities. Designs such as a charming French bulldog or a sunflower-themed one can be captivating. The flexibility of AI image generation allows you to explore various designs that resonate with customers. Consider the profitable niche of pressed flower designs, with one mug earning over $40,000 in sales. These delicate and appealing designs can tap into niche markets and generate significant revenue. Once you're satisfied with an image featuring a white background, you can quickly upload it to a white mug on platforms like Printify, making your product ready for sale effortlessly. AI makes it effortless to create a plethora of stunning designs with minimal effort. The secret lies in using another remarkable AI tool known as ChatGPT. This tool provides a treasure trove of witty puns and sayings that are free from trademark concerns. These creative ideas can be seamlessly incorporated into your mug designs, adding a layer of uniqueness and appeal. However, it's essential to ensure that the selected sayings are trademark-free. You can perform quick checks to verify their availability for use in your designs. Now, let's delve into the critical aspects of optimizing your listings for success. Titles and tags play a pivotal role in search engine optimization, SEO, significantly influencing your listing's discoverability. To craft an effective title, begin by researching similar products on Etsy. Examine listings that consistently appear on the first page of search results, paying close attention to the keywords they employ. These keywords can serve as the foundation for your own compelling title, increasing your chances of visibility. Moreover, we explored how to optimize product listings on platforms like Etsy. Titles, tags, and mockups play a crucial role in attracting potential buyers. Researching successful listings and using relevant keywords can significantly boost visibility in search results. Mockups should be chosen carefully, and websites like rawpixel.com offer free alternatives for creating appealing product images. Furthermore, we delved into the process of creating product mockups with personalized designs. Photopea, a free alternative to Photoshop, can be used to customize mockups and add AI-generated designs to them. This step ensures that products look professional and enticing to potential customers. The business model discussed in this video emphasizes the power of AI in streamlining the creation and selling of customized products. By leveraging AI tools for design generation and following best practices for product listings, entrepreneurs can achieve remarkable success in the print-on-demand industry. While it usually takes time to reach substantial earnings, AI accelerates this process and offers a promising path to financial success. Consider scenarios where your graphic design features a background that differs from white, or you intend to offer the design on mugs with various background colors. In these instances, removing the background becomes a valuable step. Removal.ai is a user-friendly website that simplifies this process. It allows you to upload your design, and the website efficiently removes the background, providing clean and versatile images that can be seamlessly incorporated into your listings. As we explored how AI-powered tools can significantly expedite the process of creating and listing products, streamlining your journey to a profitable online store. The business model discussed in this video emphasizes the power of AI in streamlining the creation and selling of customized products. By leveraging AI tools for design generation and following best practices for product listings, entrepreneurs can achieve remarkable success in the print-on-demand industry. And there you have it, folks. We've unraveled the magic of AI in the world of print-on-demand. Thanks for joining us today. Remember to hit that like button, share with your fellow entrepreneurs, and stay tuned for more exciting content that'll take your business to the next level. Catch you in the next one.